What's going on with it, YouTube? What's good? What's good? Hey man, it's your boy WMKT checking in. And anyway, you know what I'm saying, Mr. MLB himself, man of business, watch the end, you know what I'm saying? Y'all can never, man. Any day, I say any day, excuse me. Anyway, you know what I'm saying? Your boy got a dope video that we about to get into today. When I say dope, I'm talking about like the 80s. It's that dope. But anyway, I'm about to end up taking the car to Gearheads today because I have some unfinished business. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Let's get that cold start inside the car though. You know what I'm saying? See if it makes a difference inside the car. Let's get that. Man, you hear that thing rumbling? You hear that thing rumbling? But anyway, if you're new to the channel, man, make sure that y'all please hit that subscribe button because it's still red to some of y'all. And some of y'all ain't subscribed to my channel, you know what I'm saying? But I know you be out there lurking, you know what I'm saying? But hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that post notification bell to keep up with all my dope content that will be coming out in the future, as well as this video you watching now, as well as all the dope videos I've been dropping, you know what I'm saying? I've been dropping these videos like I'm dropping Young Dolph mixtapes, you know what I'm saying? Hey, cause young Dolph be going, hey, he be snapping them. But anyway, man, rock with your boy, man. You know, the ones that's been rocking with, man, I appreciate y'all, man, cause if it wasn't for y'all, man, I couldn't do this, man, you know. And also, you know what I'm saying, if y'all wanna ever support the channel, man, there's a link in the description, you know what I'm saying? I have my PayPal account link, so if y'all want to send donations or whatever, it's up to y'all, you know what I'm saying? Just go down in the description and check that out. But anyway, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna get on this road, and when you see this camera come back on, y'all already know it's three things. I bet y'all don't know what they are. And if you don't know, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be the lights, it's camera, action, and you know we gotta stay bringing them lightning, them thunder, them videos. This out there, look at this wrap on this Cobra though. Ugh. Got the wheel conversion on the front and the back, you know what I'm saying? Check that wrap out on that thing. Look at that thing. You already know it's a manual. But anyway, you guys, y'all see the thumbnail. Y'all already know what I'm up here at Gearheads for. Yes, I'm coming to add the 125 shot on Storm 392. You see the trunk open, you see it in the back. Yes, sir. And then, you know, I'm gonna let Gearheads do their thing, you know what I'm saying? They're supposed to be doing two different tunes. They're gonna do a natural aspirated tune on top of my Greene tune, so they're gonna give Storm 392 the max power that it can hold. Then they're gonna also add the one-step or two-step coated spark plugs. And then on top of that, they're gonna add the nitrous and tune on top of the nitrous. So, hey, Storm 392 gonna be moving. And I know that a lot of people say that the 6.4 is weak with the nitrous, which is true. But like me and Phil discussed, it's all about how you apply the nitrous to the motor. You know what I'm saying? First of all, it's not my daily driver, so I'm not really worried about that. Second of all, I have a progressive controller kit through wet plate. So, you know what I'm saying? I won't be sending a whole 125 shot to the motor. It's going to be getting to the motor in small stages. So I expect that the motor will be okay, because it's not like I'm gonna be riding around with nitrous all the time. You know, it's just when I need it, you know, at the track and stuff like that, or like in like serious street races or something like that. So that's the only time that I will benefit with sending the nitrous through the motor. So I think that the pistons and everything will be okay within the motor. I'm not just sitting in a heavy wave or all 125 edit at one time. I have, like I say, a progressive kit through Nas. You want to check it out? I have it right here. That's the brand right here, Nas. And the progressive controller, now all that's in the box. So, yeah, I think I'll be fairly fine. So, the car's gonna be gone for a few days. They have to order the one-step or two-step coated spark plugs as well as the body heater because it didn't come with the kit. So. Maybe about Thursday, Friday, I pick the car up, and then we'll see what the numbers are and see what he say. But like I say, for those who have a 6.4 liter Charger or Challenger, and you're trying to do the nitrous on your cars, don't be too scared. It's all about how you get the nitrous through the block, and it's also who puts it on your car. You know what I'm saying? If the person that installs on your car and don't know what they're doing, then chances are you probably will destroy the motor. It's all about, you know, getting the nitrous through the block, like I said again, safely. So we're gonna go in here and holler at Phil, and then see what he has to say. So question, how you think the 125 shot will hold up?
I think it'll do just fine. I think the motor will handle 125 just fine.
Now the people trying to do this, would you recommend this not be a daily driver? 125 shot?
No, well, I mean, it just depends on how often you're going to use it, how much you're going to hit it. Typically speaking, you're not going to be on the nitrous a whole lot. Right. So for daily driving, you're not even going to know it's there.
Right. Just have to tune in back and forth between the natural aspect.
Exactly. Yep. When you're ready to get with it, just go ahead and load on up that nitrous tune, and you'll be ready to go.
Okay.
But yeah, it'll be seamless and invisible just for daily driving. You won't even know it's there.
Cool.
Neither will the guy next to you till you hit it.
I'm trying to get ready for demonology.
Got a lot of nitrous in that.
I've been in blew the block out the bottom end. Alright, you guys, so you see what my man Phil said. The 125 shot will be okay to add to the vehicle. They're kind of busy, so like I said, it's gonna take a couple days to get everything situated. So what I'm about to do is I'm just gonna leave the car here, let them do their thing, and then we'll come back, see what the numbers are, naturally aspirated, and then with the nitrous. And then when I know, that's when y'all will know. But anyway, this was just a little short video. It wasn't nothing, you know, too major. But anyway, like I say on all my videos, we the mob, we the family. You know what I'm saying? Repping one of my little car, you know, showed me chains on me. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to HTO. Hey, we the mob, we the family. Hey, I'll catch y'all on the next one.